In front of me is REALME Narzo 60, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To fix it, click on this gear next to Password Manager. Tap on the switcher next to Offer to save passwords if it's not already on. Log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other ones you need from those settings. To do it now, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input website that you wish to use, or click on Select App and click on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. Lastly, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!